Hey sparkle lovers, do you want to learn how to make a fun, fast, and fabulous craft? I am going to show you how to make one of these amazing brooch magnets. Hi, I'm Natalie with TotallyDazzled.com, where we help you craft with a little bit of sparkle by providing all the rhinestone embellishments you need. And in today's live video, I am going to show you how to make one of these adorable brooch magnets, just like this guy, in literally seconds. You won't believe how fun, fast, and fabulous these are to make. So these are perfect little magnets to have in your home decor, on your fridge, maybe part of your home office decor, and they also make really awesome and affordable gifts. Let me get right into the craft and let me know what you guys think about this brooch magnet craft, guys. Let me know, give me some comments, give me some likes and hearts if you're excited about this really fun and easy project. So let me get right into this really quick and easy craft. All you need is a brooch from TotallyDazzled.com. Actually, any embellishment will work. I've linked our mix packs in the description above this video. So that will give you a really beautiful assortment of sizes and styles, just like I've used on this magnet board I have here in my home office. And it's really quick and easy to do. So the first step is to just clip off your pin backing, if there is one on your brooch. Just clip it off, and I'm just using a little pair of wire cutters for this. These you can get at any craft store. They're easy to come by. And then once your brooch is clipped off, all you need to do is take a magnet, any old magnet. I bought a pack of magnets from Staples. I'm sure you can find them on Amazon. And then I'm using my high temp glue gun. I always recommend using a high temp glue gun just for the strongest hold. But this is my favorite Stanley glue gun that I just got from Home Depot. So I have it on high temp setting. I'm adding some hot glue to the back of my magnet. And then I'm adhering it to the brooch. Actually, I don't think I've used enough glue. I'm gonna add a little bit more. And that's really all there is to it, guys. It takes seconds. It's so fast to make these. They're adorable. I just love the way that they turn out. So there's one. That one is in our rose gold color. It's a little far away, but let me make another one. So this beautiful brooch is from one of our mix packs. So again, I'm just going to add some hot glue to my magnet, a generous amount, and then just glue it right onto the back of the brooch. And boom, you instantly have a really just gorgeous magnet. Look at how cute that is, guys. What do you think? It's so fun and easy. I just love it. So there's that beautiful brooch magnet. And as a special bonus, Totally Dazzled also has a set of 50 free, completely free Printable Sparkle Quotes. These are the quotes that I have up here with my beautiful brooch magnets. These are totally free. I've included the link to them in the description above this video. They're so cute. I just love these, and you can just print off whichever ones you like. You can do whatever you want with them. You can put them in a picture frame, whatever you want. So I thought I would show a few of them here today live. So check these out. This is just a small sample of what you can find in our free printable sparkle quote set. There's 50 different quotes, so there's something for every sparkle lover in there. Here's one. It says, "Some girls are just born with sparkles in their veins." How cute. I think that's me. Here is, "She who leaves a trail of glitter is never forgotten." Sorry, I'm reading these kind of backwards right now. This one is very cute. "Happy girls shine brighter." Here's one that's good for the home office. "When life gives you Monday, dip it in glitter and sparkle all day." How cute are these, right? So anyway, there's all different kinds of quotes in the pack that are totally free. So grab your free download and check those out. Print off whatever you like. Put them in a frame, put them on your fridge, put them on your magnet board in your home office. With your brand new beautiful brooch magnets. Here's one with a little dangler. I'm gonna turn this beautiful brooch into a magnet. Again, just like I did all the others, just grab yourself a basic little magnet, a generous amount of hot glue on the back, attach it, and you're done. So quick, so easy, so much fun. Look at how quick, easy, and fun that is. So cute. Maybe if I put it on here, you'll be able to see the dangler a little better. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this video. I really appreciate it. And until next time, I'm Natalie with TotallyDazzled.com, helping you shine one rhinestone at a time. Bye, guys. Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at TotallyDazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.